ground and pound. Affecting him.
And Jatin with an early leg check on Satyam.
Huge right hand. He caught in beautiful combination. Very, very smart and how to close his hands here. Satyam Kumar, beautifully done. Just as I said that, wraps up the hands. But take a look at this. Good scramble by Jatin Chaudhary to try to get out of this position. But watch out for the rain of ground and pound. Some leather hitting the ground now.
And found by Satyam Kumar.
Satyam Kumar trying to close the show here by landing those heavy, heavy shots. Big shot to the body, shots to the head. And Jatin Chaudhary is in a little bit of trouble. Immediately, see the body language of Jatin Chaudhary. And look out, look out, look out.
Goodness gracious. Satyam just picked up Jatin and threw him onto the ground.
Man, ground and pound, hard shot. Especially trying to finish the fight. Oh, now he's threatening up. It's over, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Let's take a look at the replay. Start of the fight.
Jatin could take down
his hands. Landing by Jatin. Beautifully done. He had an advantage early in that fight. He had the grappling, he had the striking. But when the grappling began, Satyam Kumar had better control on his base. He had better control of the position. But he threatened with that kimura over and over again, Rahul. Incredible. Jatin came back, stepped into the round number 2, tried to look to land some offense on the feet. But Satyam Kumar figured it out. He threw an overhand right, Fedor Emelianenko style, caught the waist, got control of the body, and in ground and pound to end that round. And you could see some of those shots, Jatin doing the right thing by trying to defend himself. This was the story of round number 3. Satyam Kumar knew Jatin was in trouble, and that begins the barrage of shots. Over and over and over again, those shots were getting through the guard. It's really hurt. He's tried his best to recover.
यहाँ पे ब्लू कॉर्नर में हमारे साथ हैं आर्शियन मेनन, जिसका सामना हो रहा है रेड कॉर्नर में बॉन जोवी से. Arjun या अंशुल का what an exciting start. Oh man,
big left hook. Both fighters looking to throw down immediately. This got
my God.
Big shots by these boys. Bon Jovi getting tagged over and over, but Bon Jovi needs to step in. Beautiful check kick. Check to that leg kick. Inside leg kick again. But you can see on the right hand side of Bon Jovi a big right welt has occurred there. Wow, just missed with that leg kick. Right hand, you can check it out. Arshan Memon is hurt. He's hurt. He needs to be careful here. Looking to close the distance, grapple up. He knows that right hand landed and hits its mark. And Bon Jovi, again, beautiful counter right. Again,
Bon Jovi unleashing thunder.
That right hand is a piston. Again, over and over again, he lands that right hand. Coming in, but he needs to set it up. Slip with that again, straight to the takedown. Watch out for the guillotine though. Good oblique kick attempts by Memon. I think he's recovered from those big right hands earlier on. Big shot here. Bon Jovi on the back. See that? Blocks that like a beautiful inside leg kick. Now, hang on. I don't know if that hit the cup yet. And they were inadvertent, but I just hope that the referee, again, beautiful. No, I think that was a clean shot. That was a clean shot. Hang on.
Referee calls.
Hang on. What happened? Hang on. What happened? I think Bon Jovi hurt his leg.
It seems
Let's take a look there. That inside leg kick. No. It's not the kick that hurt. He stepped back. The minute he pulled his leg back, he saw the same thing happen to Conor McGregor. Now starting to dekho, Rahul, the minute the fight started, it started off with that inside leg kick that slid up to the cup and was deemed illegal. But as the fight went on, both fighters started throwing down. You could see beautiful combinations, that shot from Memon which cracked him clean, hurt him, and overall it was just an incredible fight.
Well, an unfortunate ending here, but Arjun and Tane, I would like to see these warriors fight once again and put up a war for all the fight fans in the country. And those brutal shots, look at them.
Absolutely. These are some hammers that are being thrown on by each of them.
Oh man, it hurts every time you see it, Tanay.
शुरुआत women's fight की, जहां रश्मि का सामना है आज काफी tough opponent से, Sonam Zomba. Doing is she's trying to tease Rashmi and she starts banging.
There's clearly a difference in speed and technique here. Sonam Zomba certainly the more technical striker, beautiful strike to the body there. Ability, and after a point, few more leg kicks and body kicks, and you watch Rashmi Jain won't be able to breathe properly. Gas tank will begin to empty and sets up the head shots. Beautiful overhand right by Sonam Zomba, who's looking to close the show, close those combinations.
और यहाँ पे बहुत ही अच्छी striking दिखा.
Spinning back kick, back fist attempt by Sonam here.
So far, Sonam showing
A good counter with that left kick. And Sonam is she's standing in stance. She's not bouncing on her feet. staying stable. Beautiful combination. Hang on, she might be hurt here. And the fight is over. I think it was a shot to an eye. She might have hurt her eye with that punch. Eat those leg kicks, those shots there. And overhand right. Some of the striking was telegraphed and a little sloppy, but those kicks were on point. The shots to the body, the shots to the leg. And I think that shot was to the eye. It was not a poke, it might have been a
Touch gloves and let's do it.
With him, we also have Jim Petitios, who's also... Oh, man!
Here comes that Wushu striking. Beautiful right hand. Himanshu staying patient, holding the center of that. And Musa looking a little more aggressive here. Both fighters, beautiful low.
पिछली फाइट में भी हमने देखा था बहुत ही ज्यादा शोबोटिंग थी दोनों के बीच में.
I love now you're talking to the wrong guy. I love the showboating. I feel MMA is theatre, is violent theatre. And I love the fact that you can go here, slam time, over again. Again that inside leg kick. And don't let it fool you, it's affecting him. Oh! Beautiful right hand. Swinging hook takes him to the ground. Incredible timing by Himanshu Kaushik. He's looking world class.
I think besides his speed, his technique is...
See, again and again that inside leg kick. And Musa has... You see the way Musa moves. He
is
can't chase
definitely
him.
limping. Musa is definitely
All
limping
these
out there.
guys talking to each other. Well, it is...
He's talking trash. Over and over. It's a very, very smart strategy. He's waiting for his moment. He's going to immobilize him. Again, see, he can't pivot off that front. He can't look for that right. Oh, beautiful. Throws him down to the mat. And Musa again finding trouble. You see, he can't pivot off that front lead leg. Either you switch stances and start throwing from the other hand. But it looks like Musa Resh doesn't have too many options here.
Absolutely, those leg kicks are a slow death, and Himanshu and Musa now trying to scrap. Musa goes for a knee to the face, but Himanshu immediately denies it.
Musa missed by a mile there. Himanshu was way out of range. Again, head kick.
Oh, good head kick
Slaps
there.
him with the foot there as he comes over the top. Musa now making a fight of oh, look at that.
Beautiful grip there by Himanshu.
Excellent.
No, come on. Herb Dean is one of the fairest referees in the sport. And Musa now coming up with that
head
left
kick
high kick. Himanshu swinging that big right hand. Oh,
fantastic
that
kick.
that's a crescent kick to come up the middle. He hit him twice with that. And if you can break down that front leg kick, you stop the takedowns. Big overhand right. Himanshu Kaushik landed some beautiful shots to the body. The inside leg kick, outside leg kick, body lock, trips, and just overpowered his opponent.
Leg
Yes,
kicks.
you're right. It's very, very badly hit up. And Rahul, you have to realize one thing. Came back. Again, it's just the way he throws the right hand, slips the outside leg, and pushes down his opponent. It's a beautiful outside trip. Big knee attempt there happening, but it doesn't matter whether you missed by an inch or a mile, you still missed. Chest on chest, landed some good ground and pound here. But story of round number 3 was a little different though. A lot of control and a lot of moments.
Absolutely.
The ground control though of Musa Resh was just spectacular.
You know, while we could give the first round to Himanshu and the second to Musa, I feel all three judges are going to have a 29-28 because the third round is something that I as someone who's sitting cage side cannot decipher who's the winner of that.
Stay stop the fight. If you want to touch gloves, back to your corners.
You know what? I'll tell you
It's the
something,
opposite.
boys. Shin on shin is like hitting two pieces of metal together. Nobody wins, everybody gets hurt. Beautiful inside leg kick. We saw the same thing as Musa. Beautiful kick to the body. Beautifully set up. I love that body kick to the front. Slow and steady. It's a great way to separate, keep some distance from your opponent. Oh, big left hook there. Nice inside calf kick. Samir. What are they? Those staying patient. Both these men have great respect for each other's skills. Beautiful inside flick. Trying to find its mark. Finds its mark beautifully on the rear leg.
Absolutely. And you know, the one thing that I like about Samir is that for a man who is at his weight, he used to fight at light heavyweight, but is still comparatively a lot more technical than many LSWs.
Very nicely done. Very nicely done by Dushan Borale, who's changed levels and taken his opponent down. And this is what we meant. He needed to show the threat of the takedown and ground and pound from this position.
Vicious ground and pound. This fight could be called off any time.
Samir Devan is in a bad way. If he doesn't change his position, referee Ranjit has seen enough. And it's not just kickboxing, and you can see that they started off beautifully with some good body kicks, inside kicks by Dushan Borale. Both fighters exchanged some good shots and found a little bit of success. Beautiful left hook there earlier by Samir Devan. But as the minute he shot for that double, he caught him, took him down to the mat. and Samir had no answer for this barrage of strikes. Ground and pound with no answer, no improvement in position by Samir, and referee Ranjit had seen enough and called an end to this beautiful middleweight contest.
And look at the Kusti style celebration there by Dushan.